Hello children, today we are going to study a very beautiful poem, The Character of a Happy Life, is written by Sir Henry Wotton. In this poem, Sir Henry Wotton talks about what kind of character should a man possess to be happy, how he can be happy, what kind of life should he lead to be happy. एक खुश आदमी का चरित्र कैसा होना चाहिए, वो कैसा होता है, किस तरह की ज़िंदगी जीता है, उसी के बारे में आज हम इस कविता में पढ़ेंगे। और आज हम लोग इस कविता में आधा कविता कवर करेंगे और आधी कविता कल कवर की जाएगी। तो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दिस पोएम। हाउ हैप्पी इज ही born a tot that serveth not another's will, whose armor is his honest thought and simple truth his utmost skill. The poet talks about that a happy man does not follow the orders of others. He works according to his own will, according to his own plans. He is not a slave of anybody. He talks about एक आदमी तभी खुश रह सकता है जब वो खुद अपनी इच्छा अनुसार काम करे, वो किसी का गुलाम ना हो। एक आदमी जो धरती पे आया है, एक शिक्षित आदमी, एक जन्म लिया आदमी, वो तभी खुश रह सकता है जब वह अपनी इच्छा के अनुसार काम करे। A happy man does not need any defense. उसको किसी डिफेंस की आवश्यकता नहीं होती है। His only defense is his honest thoughts. उसके जो सुंदर विचार हैं, उसके जो अच्छे विचार हैं, वही उसके डिफेंस है, वही उसका कवच है। आर्मर मीन्स कवच। एंड सिंपल ट्रूथ हिज utmost skill. और उसके पास जो एक बेहतरीन कला है, वो एक कला ये है कि वो सिंपल ट्रूथ, सच्चाई उसकी एक कला है। Whose passions not his masters are, whose soul is still prepared for death, untied unto the world with care, a princely love a vulgar breath. A happy man has a total control over his passions, his excitements, his passions like love, jealous, worry. It can be so many things. He has overcome such passions. That's why he is happy. Whose soul is still prepared for death. He is always ready for the death. He is always welcomes the death because he knows the ultimate truth. He knows that everybody is gonna die one day. He is not a death-fearing man. That's why he is happy. Untied unto the world with care. He is very much away from the worldly affairs. वो इस सांसारिक दुनिया से untied है, बधा नहीं है वो इस दुनिया से, वो सांसारिक दुनिया से मोह माया से दूर है। That's why he is happy. वो डरता नहीं है मृत्यु से। और princely love a vulgar death. A happy man does not need a king's love or prince's love. He does not bother about king or prince. He also does not bother about the vulgar breath. Vulgar breath means the local peoples who criticizes him. He does not bother about the criticizers. Anyone can talk about him anything and he does not bother about at all. उसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि राजा उसे प्रेम करता है कि नहीं, आम आदमी उसके बारे में अच्छी बात करते हैं कि नहीं, उसके बारे में खराब बात कर रहे हैं, क्या बात कर रहे हैं। He is not bothered about anything. He is free. Who hath his life from rumors freed. A happy man's life is free from rumors. He does not bother what people talks about him, what people gossips about him. He does not pay attention to those things, those serious things. उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि लोग उस बारे में क्या बात करते हैं, और वो भी बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं देता है। That's why he is happy. Whose conscience in his strong retreat. A happy man always believes in his conscience, in his soul. वो अपनी आत्मा की आवाज़ सुनता है, आत्मा में विश्वास करता है, अपनी inner soul की हमेशा बात सुनता है, उसी के अनुसार वो काम करता है। That's why he is happy. Whose state can neither flatters feed. A happy man's mental state is almost fixed. It's not flexible. He is a very constant mode. He does not easily deviate from things. He is very constant, you can say. किसी चीज़ से ज़्यादा उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, उसका मेंटल स्टेट एकदम फिक्स रहता है। दुख सुख, he doesn't bother much. That's why he is happy. And happy man also डज नॉट लाइक द फ्लैटरी, उसको चापलूसी बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, वो नहीं चाहता कि लोग उसकी झूठी प्रशंसा करें, उसके सामने मुंह में मिठू बने, ही डज नॉट लाइक दिस। एंड द लास्ट लाइन, nor ruin make oppressors get. A happy man does not care about his losses. If he had some enemy, if enemy is damaging his property, damaging his personality, damaging his reputation, he just don't bother. उसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि उसको कोई उसका शत्रु उसका नुकसान कर रहा है, उससे बिल्कुल वो परे है, उसको कोई फर्क ही नहीं है. That's why he is happy. तो I hope you like this video, आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगेगा. If you are facing some kind of problem, if you want to know something more about this, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number 8948379580. Thank you very much.